So today, pupunta tayo dito sa Jewelry Barn and Pawn Shop. So check ko dito kung magkano yung grams or magkano yung gold ko. So nakita ko lang sila sa website, tapos maganda yung rating. So let's check. Ito siya, Jewelry Barn Pawn Shop. Okay, so open siya ngayon hanggang 5 PM. Andito na nga ako sa Jewelry Barn Pawn Shop. So, ito yung mga ano nila. Meron silang diamond. Meron din silang gold. Kaso, ang pinagkaiba, totally different from the Philippines. Hindi sila per gram. Okay, just give me a second.
$250.
$250?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh. Okay. It's because of the...
Well, Melly diamond like that, you can acquire at such a low price. Like, I mean, a few dollars.
What is melon?
Melly diamonds. When they're real small like that is what they're called, is Melly. You can acquire those for $3 or $4 or $5, individual stones.
Okay.
But because it's a set piece and finished 18 karat gold, we could offer $250 for it.
Okay. $250.
Mm-hmm.
And last one, sorry. So we bought this one in Effie. So I'm not sure how much this will cost. Do you want to double check how much is yours? I just wanna like your ring. No, just checking. Okay. Alright. So ayun na nga, pina-check ko yung diamond ko. And I will tell you kung magkano yun. Tapos, ang baba ng bigay nila, $250. Tapos ito yung gold. Tapos, itong Cartier na pinaano ko, Sing Sing. Then, it's total, ano siya, $120. Umigay lang nila sa akin, $120. So, napaka baba talaga ng bigay nila. So, ayun, ito yung mga benta nila. May pearls din pala. Tapos, pwede ka din bumili. So, kapag bumili, ganun din. Pennyweight ang tawag nila. Hindi sila per gram. So, yung iba dito is ano, okay, give me a second. Okay.
Okay. You'd be $250 on this as well. It's 14 karat, has a little less gold content, and I have several of those. It's just not something I really need for inventory.
Okay. This is $250. Wow. I bought it. This one almost $3,000.
Oh wow, yeah, no, that's
Yay.
something that we would have tagged at $9.99.
Oh, because this
$9.99, or there's one that's a larger carat weight that was $11.99. We had tagged that.
Wow. Okay.
We're wholesale though too, so it's a lot different. If you're paying retail prices, there's always going to be a pretty large markup on it. So.
And this one is 18.
The band's 18 karat,
18
correct,
carats,
and then the
yeah.
2 diamond band's 14 karat.
Okay, so these are they are the same, even though they have different. Like this is 14 carat.
So your diamond weight offsets.
Because they have this bigger or
yeah.
something. Okay.
Correct.
Alrighty, it's good to know because I've seen checking it through online in the website. It's really, the reviews are really good. And I don't know because in my country we buying it or selling per gram.
Okay.
So that's why I want to know how does it go.
A lot of gold we buy is per pennyweight because we sell it per pennyweight. It's just easier for us to stay on one conversion. So that's why we do it per pennyweight.
So good.
But it's the same thing either way.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate
No problem. Have a good day.
You too. So, ayun na nga. So, we are going, nag-canvas lang ako dito sa Jewelry Barn. Yun na yung way nila. So, we're going. Well, so, to be honest, hindi ako ganun ka-satisfied dun sa price na binigay nila. Kasi itong 18, yung isang 14 karat ko na diamond, 14 karat gold siya, white gold. And then, yung ito, so mas marami siyang diamonds. Bigay sa akin $250, $3,000 yun. Tapos,
when you're going to a pawn shop, they're going to obviously go way under value because, and then she told you she's going to sell it for $999.
So that's what the reason why the pawn shop. So I don't know paano ko gagawin to dito sa Philippines because sa US because I'm trying to sell my gold and then yung ano nila ang baba, total bargain Pennyweight! Lord of mercy. So, mas maganda talaga doon sa Pilipinas or everywhere. So, I'm not sure. Maybe I will still canvas in other pawn shop. Check. So, first time kong marinig yung ano, yung Pennyweight. I don't know Pennyweight actually. That's why I clarify. I asked, what do you mean by Pennyweight? And then, when she said that we will weigh in and that's it. And same thing with selling and buying. So, yung isa ko naman, ito, yung maliit. So, 18 karat siya, yung white gold niya. Pero, yung ano naman niya, yung price niya is, same thing. Same with this one, $250. It's because this is white gold, 18 karat, but yung diamonds niya, mas maliit, pero mas onte compared dun sa isa. So, ayun na nga. Wait lang. So, shockers, diba? So, hindi ko alam kung saan pa ako dito. So, dito ako sa Kentucky nagpaano. So, chinek ko sila dito sa Jewelry Barn and Pawn Shop. So, ayun yung ano nila. Hindi na ako nagtanong kung magkano yung pricing ng mga gold tsaka ng ano nila, diamond. Kasi mas mahal. Mas mahal siya kahit na i-ano natin, igawin natin per weight or something. Kung penny weight ang usapan, kung hindi siya per gram, talo yung ano. So, ayun. Shockers. Pero sana pala nagtanong na din ako kung magkano yung ano, yung mismong price nung ano, isang item. Kahit at least. Kasi pina-check ko to, yung gold. Yung gold ang baba. Tapos yung diamond, pina-check ko. Ayun. Okay, let's go. Hi friends, I'm back. So, ayun na nga, nagtanong ako, hindi ko na binidyohan, pero nagtanong ako about dun sa diamond na 2 carats. 2 carats siya, tapos ang band niya is 14K gold. Then, grabe yung 2 carats na natural diamond. Then, meron din daw certificate. Ang cost niya is $16,999. Tapos ngayon, nagtanong ako dito, yung parang the same. So parang the same nito, yung isa, yung half eternity ko. Then yung half eternity cost you 1,000. They're charging you $1,199 natural diamond. Can you imagine the difference? Kasi yung sa akin, binibili nila to $250, tapos ibebenta nila ng $1,199. So, ayun, luging-lugi ang mahal kapag binili mo, pero kapag magbebenta ka na, ay kung ipopon mo sa kanila, ang mahal. Kasi ngayon, ang value ng gold, ang taas na. Tapos ito, 120 lang. Talo pa, lugi pa, nagtaas na, nag-appreciate na ng gold. Tapos ang baba ng bigay. So, ayun na nga. Hindi siya worth it kung ipopon siya dito. Ayun. Talo. Dapat kasi, ang gold tsaka diamond, kailangan, kasi matagal na sa akin kung matagal na sa'yo, mas ngayon mag-appreciate na yung value. So, depends talaga sa pawn shop kung saan ka talaga dapat, kung saan mo siya ipopon or something. So, kailangan you need to gather more information. So, maybe sa next kong vlog, pupunta kami sa ibang pawn shop para to see the difference. Mas prefer ko talaga yung per gram kasi yun naman talaga ang labanan ng ngayon ng gold per gram, hindi siya per penny weight. So at least we know dito sa Jewelry Barn yung nila diamond is not per weight, penny weight, not penny weight. Pero ang ginawa nila sa diamond ko, penny weight kapag ibebenta mo. Pero kung bibili ka, hindi siya penny weight. So, depends. Hindi in-explain ng mabuti ni ate. Yung isa, yung matanda na yung nag-ano sa akin. Hindi niya in-explain kung paano yung nila. Just sinabi na lang nila, depends. So, pag bibili ka. Tapos, yung sa gold, penny weight talaga siya. So, hindi na ako nagtanong kasi parang pointless yung sa gold. Kung magtatanong ka. Kung penny weight, talo. Wag kayong bibili ng gold if it's gagawin nila penny weight kasi lugi. ayun lang. Hope you guys learn. Comment below kung meron kayong alam na mga pawn shop na dito sa US na ginagawa per gram.